I want to introduce you to my business planning book, which is rapidly becoming one of the most effective and popular ways to not only create a fantastic and professional business plan document that you can use to raise loans or investment, but most importantly will help you identify the most effective and correct strategies for your business. And this book is seeing adoption in some high schools and entrepreneurship centers in universities around the country where I've actually traveled to and given talks. And I'll show you it's also very popular on Amazon. You can find it just by searching business plan. In organic results, it's almost always #1 or one of the top ones. And you can see if I mouse over, it has fantastic reviews, 4.6 out of 5. And it's the blue friendly cover that you can see. I can click it, and this is the book. A little bit about how this book came about. I've been a successful entrepreneur myself. My name is Alex Kinadinik. And over the years, a lot of new entrepreneurs have come to me for help and advice, and it's developed into a coaching practice where now I've helped over 1,000 entrepreneurs in one-on-one situations. And what I've noticed is entrepreneurs, they get big templates online and they try to fill them out, they lose confidence, they lose momentum, and even if they fill it out, the strategies are incorrect. So what I've done is I've stripped out all the unnecessary parts, and I've kind of came up with this innovation, 3-sentence business plan. That's what I teach you in this book. And the 3-sentence business plan is just a way to have laser focus on what's the most important for your business. Once you have that, I'll show you how to turn that into a 1-page business plan. And then in this book, I also show you how to turn that into a full and professional business plan that most importantly has the right strategies that you can then go and execute. So if you are a first-time entrepreneur, if you've been thinking about starting a business, maybe you've started a business, but like somewhere along the way, you hit a roadblock and you quit and you're thinking of getting back into it. And if you're really in the process of starting now, this book is fantastic. It's going to help you align all your strategies, help you avoid common pitfalls, and help you get you in the right direction. So invest in your future, invest in your own education. This book is going to pay for itself many times over. I strongly encourage you to get the book. It's easy to find. I'll have the link below, or you can just search for it. Search for the word business plan on Amazon. Get the book and get started today.